I am. Double cheese whistles. This is great, B2. First we discover a mystery knocker and scratcher.
And now it's all our friends coming for a sleepover.
Pajama-rific!
Isn't this fun?
It's just like camping.
But inside.
And since we came back, we haven't heard a thing.
If there were spookies, they must have left.
But what do you think, spooky expert? Spookies are very tricky, you know. They might just be having a bath or eating dinner.
Or maybe they're not even real.
Or not even. Of course they're real. They're probably sleeping, that's all. Sleep? That's a good idea.
All right. I miss you, Morgan.
We're two tired bananas.
Ready for bed. I'll turn the lights off. And leave the lamp on, Morgan. Just in case the spooky wakes up.
Good thinking, Rat. Then we'll see it.
I'm sorry we didn't read the story tonight, Bananas.
That's all right, Lulu.
It's great to have you all staying with us.
Nighty-night, everyone.
Good night.
When we've said good night and turned out the light, on the wall we see the features of some sneaky, spooky creature.